okay? And it's quite easy to create a cloud machine. And I will suggest that you do the same on Microsoft Azure or AWS. Even AWS will give you a free cloud. Microsoft will be quite cheap, but you can create a full functional machine on Microsoft Azure or on Amazon AWS. It's quite simple. You just go to portal.azure.com, create an account, and then you go to virtual machines. Those are my virtual machine, and click on create. And while you create the account, it will give you, I mean, here, create a virtual machine. Very simple process on both Azure and AWS. But I think this will be a good option. As you can see, you can select the aspect of the machine. You can select what operating system the machine needs to have. It will tell you how much it's going to cost when you select. For example, this machine with this specification, it costs $200 per month. But I'm going to pay $200. $200. This if you're going to use the machine 24/7. But this specific machine with this operating system, if you use them the normal like 4 or 5 hours per day, you will end up paying like $10 per month. Okay, so you just select the configuration and everything, and then it will give you a public IPs that you can connect using RDP. So it's a very, very simple process to do. And I would suggest if any of you didn't work on any cloud platform before, to start getting familiar with it. You know the concept, but it's important also to know the practical part of it.